The beginning is a rather peculiar anomalous level, said to be connected to the end in some way. The level is hypothesized to have existed for a very long time in the backrooms, hence its name. It is speculated that the beginning is responsible for the creation of some levels and failed creations, although this theory is not proven. In physical appearance, the beginning is a network of dimly lit rooms, resembling a vintage office complex with a gray carpet and pale-colored walls plus tile-patterned ceilings. The majority of these rooms lack any sort of furniture nor objects, giving off a desolated-like aura. One may come upon a room containing multiple objects, a filing cabinet, a chair, an empty bottle, and a 1980s-esque computer. The filing cabinet contains labeled folders with documents on every anomalous location in the backrooms. The documents are synced with the pages in the MEG database, both sharing the same information and images. These documents somehow are updated in time with the database. This phenomenon is still being investigated. The documents are reportedly challenging to tamper with, being considered as near impossible. Nonetheless, attempting to damage or keep these documents results in the wanderer being glitched out of the beginning into a random level, and the documents being returned back unharmed. The computer is quite unique, whilst not possessing the exact capabilities as Entity PC in the end, it may still configure aspects of the beginning. Furthermore, the computer can reveal certain stats of the backrooms. These actions can be performed by typing particular commands that execute their respective function. Strangely, aside from a disk tray, the computer doesn't feature any external ports. Should the computer be booted up, it will display a black and lime terminal. The appearance of the terminal is immutable. As mentioned earlier, the computer can only modify objects, entities, or aspects of its level, and not any entities, objects or levels outside of the beginning. As an example, attempting to delete an entity outside of the beginning will result in failure. On the other hand, deleting an entity that is present within the confines of the level will work. Although, some commands have extremely rare exceptions. The commands will only apply to the wanderer who executes them, and nobody else should anyone else be in the level. Moreover, the computer will ignore any command or keys the user inputs that isn't available, effectively meaning the computer is immune to viruses and malware. One may find doors scattered throughout the beginning, which all lead to relatively medium-sized, organized server rooms. In contrast to the rest of the beginning, these server rooms are completely white in color, with a reflective floor and an overall more modernized appearance. Nevertheless, cracks can still be seen in the ceilings, and climbing through these will bring you to the void. The server boxes glow a neon blue light, though the boxes have an inconsistent brightness, with some being brighter than other. Additionally, the humbuzz of the fluorescent lights is more prevalent here. Old hardware such as laptops, computers and telephones can be found stored within the crates. However, these electronics don't seem to work. The server boxes are powered by the electrical sockets, which may be placed in unordinary spots in the server room's walls. The cord connecting the server boxes to the outlets cannot by any means be disrupted. Unlike the electrical outlets outside the server rooms, the ones here supply a way higher amount of voltage. The data stored in the server boxes is yet to be determined, as not even the computer in the level mentions nor can access the data in the server rooms. Many have suggested the data stored in the server boxes is from the commands of the computer, saving data of whoever used the computer and a log of commands they have used in the past. Others have also suggested that because of the level's given title, The data stored in the server boxes may be a collection of information of the backrooms. Commands. The following is a list of all documented commands one may input in the beginning's computer. Default commands. /spawn. Typing this followed by an underscore and a number or name in caps will spawn in a hologram visualizing the corresponding entity. The holograms are unable to be interacted with. /transport. Typing this followed by a number /title will briefly knock out the person and immediately send them to that particular level. /delete. Typing this followed by a level underscore or entity underscore and an integer /title will result in receiving an error message. /clear. Clears the console. /exit. Typing this or any other related command will be met with an error message. Additional commands. /help. Lists almost all available commands, along with a brief description for each one. /undo. Reverts the last command, and depending on the command, will return the screen back to the terminal. Executing this command after it has already been executed redos the command it previously undid. /visualize. Typing this followed by either level underscore, integer /title, or a location in the front rooms will display the respective area. /patch. Temporarily covers up the nearest broken parts of the level infrastructure. /illuminate. Brightens up the room the computer is in. The lights will dim back to normal once the wanderer inputs another command. /dim. Does the opposite of /illuminate. The lights will brighten back to normal once the wanderer inputs another command. /almond. Summons a singular full bottle of almond water. This command can be used as much as wanted, however, one must approximately wait 1 Earth day before the command can be used again. Plus, the almond water itself cannot be brought out of the level, but the effects applied to the wanderer if consumed will remain, regardless of if one exits the beginning or not. /karma. Reveals the karma rating of the wanderer. Curiously, if the command is used again after the first use, the karma rating of the wanderer will slowly decrease by 1 each time it is used again. /manifest. Typing this followed by an integer or a title will cause the entire level to manifest into a wavy and blurry version of that particular level. The hazards from the actual level being manifested will not be present. In addition, the computer will disappear, meaning no clipping is the only way to exit out of the manifestation, leading you to the corrupted instability. /invert. Makes the wanderer's perspective of the level inverted in color. /prevent BSOD. Case-sensitive command. Should one do this command, the next time they enter level 111 the rebooting event will not occur. This command can only be used once. /time. Displays the current time of a random time zone on the Earth in the front rooms. /footage. Shows a video recording of level 0. It is unknown how the footage was recorded, since the level is devoid of any cameras.